Have you ever wondered if your breath smells bad but no one tells you? Maybe you've tried to figure it out but found it impossible to tell on your own, or you probably have noticed that your friends tend to lean backwards away from you whenever you try to start a conversation with them. Here's the surprising truth. Most people are completely unaware of their own bad breath, and it's not your fault. In this video, we'll uncover why you can't smell your own bad breath, how to check if you have it, and effective home remedies to fix it fast. If you want to learn how to keep your breath fresh and boost your confidence, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who could use these tips. Let's get started. Your inability to smell your own breath is actually a scientific phenomenon called olfactory adaptation. This simply means your brain gets used to familiar smells, like your own breath, and tunes them out. While this helps your brain avoid sensory overload, it also means you might not notice if your breath isn't as fresh as you'd like. Bad breath, or halitosis, is incredibly common. It can happen to anyone, whether it's from eating something pungent or skipping a step in your oral care routine. The good news? Once you understand what's going on, it's easy to take steps to address it. If you're not sure whether your breath smells, here are 4 easy ways to find out. 1. The lick test. Lick the back of your hand, wait a few seconds, and then smell it. This gives you an idea of how your breath might smell to others. 2. The floss test. Floss your teeth, especially where food tends to get stuck. Smell the floss. If it has an unpleasant odor, that's a clear sign bacteria are causing bad breath. 3. The spoon test. Use a clean spoon to gently scrape the back of your tongue, then smell the residue. A foul odor here can mean bad breath is coming from your tongue. 4. Ask a friend or family member. While it might feel awkward, asking someone you trust for honest feedback is often the quickest and most reliable way to know. These methods are simple and discreet, so you can check your breath without any awkwardness. Now that we have discovered how to smell your own breath, let's now look at some common causes of bad breath you probably didn't pay much attention to. Let's dive into some of the main causes of bad breath. Knowing what's behind it can help you tackle the problem effectively. 1. Food particles and bacteria. After you eat, food particles can get stuck between your teeth. Bacteria break down these particles, producing smelly sulfur compounds. Strong-smelling foods like garlic, onions, or dairy can make this worse because their compounds can stay in your mouth and even enter your bloodstream. 2. Poor oral hygiene. Not brushing or flossing regularly allows plaque to build up on your teeth. Over time, this can harden into tartar, which not only causes bad breath but can also lead to gum disease. 3. Dry mouth, also known as xerostomia. Saliva helps wash away food particles and bacteria. When your mouth is dry, due to dehydration, certain medications, or sleeping with your mouth open, odor-causing bacteria can thrive. 4. Tobacco use. Smoking and chewing tobacco. Dry out your mouth and leave lingering odors. Tobacco also increases your risk of gum disease, which is another common cause of bad breath. 5. Gum disease. Gum disease, or periodontal disease, happens when plaque builds up under the gum line. This creates an environment where bacteria flourish, producing a strong, unpleasant smell. 6. Medical conditions. Sometimes bad breath isn't just about your mouth. Conditions like sinus infections, tonsil stones, acid reflux, diabetes, or liver and kidney problems can also lead to persistent bad breath. If you're dealing with chronic halitosis, it might be worth checking with a doctor. Okay, time to jump into some simple but highly effective remedies you can try at home to eliminate bad breath for good. Now let's talk about how you can fix bad breath with easy remedies you can try at home. 1. Brush and floss daily. Make it a habit to brush your teeth twice a day and floss once a day. This helps remove food particles and plaque that bacteria feed on. 2. Clean your tongue. Use a tongue scraper or the back of your toothbrush to clean your tongue. Bacteria and dead cells can collect here, contributing to bad breath. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day keeps your mouth moist and washes away food particles. Avoid sugary or acidic drinks that can worsen the problem. 4. Rinse with baking soda. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with warm water and rinse your mouth. Baking soda neutralizes odors and kills bacteria. 5. Chew fresh herbs. Chewing on parsley, mint, or basil leaves after a meal can freshen your breath. These herbs contain natural compounds that temporarily mask odors. 6. Try apple cider vinegar. Dilute 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and swish it around your mouth. Its antibacterial properties can help fight bad breath. 7. Eat crunchy fruits and vegetables. Foods like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes, scrubbing your teeth and gums while stimulating saliva production. 8. Use coconut oil pulling. Swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes daily. This traditional remedy helps reduce bacteria and improve oral health. 9. Replace your toothbrush regularly. Swap out your toothbrush every 3 months or sooner if the bristles are worn. A fresh toothbrush cleans better and prevents bacteria buildup. Now you might be wondering, does this mean I'll no longer need the help of a trained dentist for my oral hygiene needs? If you've tried all these remedies but still notice bad breath, it might be time to see a dentist or doctor. Dentists can check for gum disease, cavities, or other oral health issues, while doctors can help rule out medical conditions like diabetes or acid reflux. Persistent bad breath is often a sign of something deeper, so don't ignore it. Bad breath is more common than you think, but it's also manageable. By understanding what causes it, testing your breath, and using these remedies, you can enjoy fresh breath and feel more confident every day. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness advice. Let us know in the comments which remedies you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.